We are making pumpkin soup and we are going to make damper. Alex is going to help me. She's just inside feeding the girls. She's going to run in here and there because the girls are pretty, they're feeling a bit average. Scarlett's got like an eye infection or something. So while she's going to be feeding the kids, it's raining. I can't believe it. As soon as I went live, it starts to rain. Yeah, we did damper probably about 4 or 5 days ago. So I want to do it again with a nice cold bed. So the main friggin' thing that we have to do is get the big cold bed under that. So we're going to cook the damper on the fire and we're going to cook the pumpkin soup on this here. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to clear out this fire pit just a little bit. Last time it took me about 4 hours to do it. This time it shouldn't take me that long. These pieces of timber are still good. We'll dig it out just a little bit, yeah? And we'll leave these pieces of coal because we can use these to get our fire started. Alright, what have we got in here? See, look at this. Can probably leave. We're going to leave this coal. We're going to use that for this so I can get it fucking going early. That's a good one. See, we got this, but we want to half this again. This is red gum, and it's really, you need it, well, I've learnt you need it really fine for it to burn, you know what I mean? Oopa. Missed. That's it. All right. Where's Alex? Come on, Al. You got to get that going as soon as possible.
Just on top?
Yep. So we're using the
natural.
One.
Together?
Yep. Probably put 4.
He wasn't joking.
Go 4.
You're not joking when you said you wanted to get it cranking, eh?
Is it going? These take a while, don't
The wind
they?
keeps pulling it out. Okay.
We're on.
Start stacking little bits?
Yeah. And now you can put your little bits down there. TP it. There's no wind tonight too, really. The wind's going perfectly that way.
She's good away from the van.
We want that coal. You got a bit more that I can put on?
Yeah.
Big coal. Look at that.
I'm just going to leave that for later, that one.
That's perfectly going. All right. Now this one. We need something on that. You're getting good at that now.
Thanks, babe.
I think that's pretty good. I think we'll leave that now. We'll let that burn. I'm worried when it burns, it's all going to fall. Scarlett bit her finger. Oh no. Shit. Oh, shit. That's not good. Get TP really quick. Put some more in there maybe. Alright, we're going to put, same as that, 4 fire starters because we need to eat. It's getting late. 1, 2, 3. We'll use 3 to start off with. Let's light this up. Takes time to light this one. Alright, let that catch. Look how good this one's going now. Keep stacking her up, yeah? I'm going to drop that. Ugh. I want to stack this up like that. That's good. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Look at that. I think this is a bit too big, man. Like that. Like that. Right. I think these are too big. Some small pieces, actually. There we go. See the wind? When the wind hits it? Look at that. Check out the cast iron, how cold it is.
And what is that in there?
It's oil.
From?
From the chicken we cooked.
From the lamb roast. And Luke goes to me today, do you reckon we can still just cook the damper in there?
No, not like that. I'm going to leave that like that.
Are ya?
Yeah. So we want this to melt completely. Starting there already, look at that in the corner. Beautiful. That's it. Oh, excuse me. Actually, I might just chuck this here like that. For 5 minutes, man. Like that. We'll empty that now. Pour it out. I'll just pour it here.
It's a bit rusty.
That rusty, is it?
It's a bit, only a little bit, but I don't think rust is good to cook on, is it?
No, no way it is. Alright.
Oh, you know, get
Do you want me to wipe that more?
Nah, that's perfect.
Oh, I thought she got a big pumpkin. I didn't think it was this one.
Yeah. Olive oil.
Alright, so we've got onion, olive oil, bacon in there as well.
But I do love my bacon, so I'm going to go get extra bacon.
Why are you putting bacon in pumpkin soup?
This is my recipe. Why are you questioning every ingredient?
Guys, put down in the comment section, have you ever used bacon for pumpkin soup before?
I think it's normal to put bacon in pumpkin soup, isn't it?
Look how much bacon you have.
Garlic. I like putting sweet potato and normal potato. I don't know. I just like sweet potato. Sweet potatoes for me, I like it. And I think that it adds like a little bit of sweetness to the recipe. So I always put sweet potato in.
We've got that in there. Alex, I was going to call you Aria. Alex is putting the potatoes in. So the goal is what, to cook that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet potato. Nearly dropped it. Alright. Pumpkin. You ready?
Well done.
Pumpkin. Oh, I thought that didn't look right then.
Oh. Pumpkin soup is healthy, isn't it?
Of course it's healthy.
Oh no, that's not good for the...
Alright. It is time to cook.
Leave the gap on top. That's it.
Enough? It's smoky, eh? Oh yeah.
That's sick.
Okay, we're gonna cook. It's because I think I've cut too many vegetables, so I'm gonna slowly put them in, so at least I get a variety of all the vegetables rather than tipping it all in and then missing out on the white potato on the bottom. True?
True. So how is that supposed to melt now?
I'll show you. Water. Woo, that's smoke in the eyes.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, so smoky. Vegeta? What is it?
Vegeta.
Vegeta. I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to need a couple of buckets of water next to my bed tonight. Fuck.
Garlic
Drink.
salt.
Garlic salt. Yeah, I need about 4 litres of water tonight. And I need to put a pipe that comes out to my bedroom so I could just piss through the pipe outside the...
Make it 5 now, yeah? Mix it. Sorry, potato. Now let's make the damper.
So we're cooking pumpkin soup in here. We just got it on.
Don't open it.
No, I won't open it yet. That's looking pretty good.
Put your head on the fire.
Jesus. We're about to make the damper now. We've got a nice cold bed. Check this cold bed out right now. We've got a good cold bed for that. All right, first thing we've got to do, we've got to wipe this table.
Huh.
It's a normal napkin. Do you want me to antibacterial wipe it all? Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah?
A bit less. All right, put that in. 1, 2, Now, oof, how much water do you reckon?
Icing sugar?
That's right. Icing sugar, I almost forgot it. But apparently the icing sugar, what do you reckon it makes it do?
It's
it makes it
sweet.
like a bit sweet and like I think lift
I
a
just
little
thought
bit.
I'd do salt, but it doesn't matter. Maybe just less.
Not much.
Yeah.
Icing sugar. I think a bit more. Now a bit of water, just a little bit. Now I would explain to you like how to do it to mix it, but I'm not really good at it.
You don't really know
I don't
how to do it, you wing it?
explain it yet. Yeah, I've winged it the first time. This is the second time making damper.
Oh, is that it?
At the start, we'll mix it. Now the reason why we're using a fork or a knife, because apparently it leaves a lot of air bubbles in there, and that's what you want. If you do it with your hands, you compact everything and you leave no air bubbles. Bit more water. Grab some flour. It's on the table. Grab the damper. Oh, maybe I should have put the pot underneath the coal first to get it hot so we can put it in.
Yeah, probably.
Shit. Alright, we'll come back to that. Gonna make a cold bed down here, okay? Whoa, that is hot.
It is
Jesus.
burning hot. It's like lava.
Oh, Jesus. It's right at me too.
You right?
Let me go from here. Oh my God, this is the best cold bed we've ever had.
Is that because I got the fire started?
Yeah. All right, look at that.
So if you got like that coal log, that one there that's burning, and you put that there, would that be good or no?
Yeah, this one. I wouldn't mind putting a big one on.
Do you mean, or two, like crisscross them or something?
Like that one?
Yeah.
All right, we're taking the big one off. We're going to just put, that's it. All right. In the middle there. Squash it down. Just a little bit. Not a bit, we'll put a lot.
That's what saved it last time, hey?
Yeah. All right. Shit, don't touch it. All right, just
Ooh.
a lot of flour.
You smell that.
All right. What we do, just around, put some more coal just around it. Like give it a hug, you know. You want to give the pot a bit of a hug and give it some love. That's it, like that. That's it. Now we wait. Put this
Well, we kind of don't really wait, eh? We go roll the damper.
Oh yeah, shit, we'd have rolled down. See that? Got the nice coal bed underneath. It'll start smoking soon. Let's go mix this damper up.
Don't play with it too much, remember?
So we can pick it up, put a bit of flour on it. All right, pick it up.
You've used so much flour.
I know. Look at that. And then,
Make Play-Doh.
that's ready.
That's it.
That's it, look,
Go
perfect.
chuck her in.
Let's check the damper really quick. Oh, we'll chuck her in, I reckon it's fine.
Chuck her in.
Let's go. All right, ready? Just place it in there like that.
See you in how long?
See you in 40 minutes.
Did you just fart?
Sorry.
Coals on top to cook the top.
And then we'll just keep putting coals on.
Rotating.
Funny is that, starting the generator to mix the soup. All we're gonna do is turn the Jenny on now. All right. Feel that, that's been red hot now. Like, oh shit. That's hot. Should I leave it, mix that, then check it?
That will take us about 5 minutes.
Just do that first then.
All right.
Can we do it here?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
You saved me the mess on my mat.
Yeah, done.
Oh.
Because the generator's not on.
Oh, you're gonna have the generator on?
Yeah. How else is it gonna work? How else do you think it's gonna work?
Oh, perfect.
Is that good?
It's perfect.
Is it perfect?
Are you ready?
Go. Look at that.
Hey, just quickly, what's the time?
10:15. Well, it's 10:14 to be exact.
All
Can I put this here near the heat?
No, thanks.
Why?
No, I don't want that.
I put it there.
It's so hot already. Just leave it.
Let's check it.
Moment of reveal. Hey, are you nervous?
Second reveal.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, no, I'm nervous lifting it. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Still not. Fuck. How long's it got?
What damper's meant to take like 45 minutes?
Look at that.
It's almost there.
Yeah. Put the lid back on.
Quick. Oh no, we're about to have cold damper.
I'm going to chuck on the fire. You ready?
I was ready like 2 hours ago.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, Al. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Finally!
Is it stuck to the bottom?
No, I think it's too hard.
No, I like crispy.
Hey?
I like crispy.
Look. You like crispy?
I like crispy.
Alright.
I don't even, babe, when it's 10:30 at night, you don't even care what it is anymore. Like,
That was too hot.
I think we lost that a little
Can I
while
grab
ago.
it out?
Yeah, do you want me to grab your plate?
Look at that.
Why is it always so floury on the bottom?
Too much flour.
Okay.
But it's good, isn't it?
Can you shake that off?
Yeah. What do you want to eat?
I'll get your plate. Out here.
Do you reckon that's too hard though?
Like, you wouldn't be able to help me.
Yeah, I'll come in, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay.
This is our first. Can I try the damper?
Oops.
Don't worry about it.
I'm going to dip my damper in.
Are you?
Talk about blunting my steak knife.
Alright, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Probably a bit worn out.
I know it's only the second damper that you've made,
Better?
but by far the best damper you've made.
Really?
Oh, it's so crispy.
Look at that.
Pumpkin soup out of 10.
10. That's beautiful.
Needs a bit of cream.
Alright guys, I'm jumping off. I'm going to smash this food. I love you. I'll speak to you guys later.